up, JVs and affiliate partners? Devon Brown here. Congratulations on making your way to the JV page for the 12-minute affiliate system. Now, I just wanted to make this quick video to go over a couple of important things with you before you start promoting your ClickBank link and start earning those awesome commissions with 12-minute affiliate. Now, as you probably know already, because you probably saw the headline or you saw it on this page somewhere, when you promote the 12-minute affiliate system, you can make money two different ways. Number one, you can make ongoing residual or recurring income, which is awesome. And number two, you also have the ability to make huge, big ticket one-time commissions of up to $398.50 per sale. And so the great thing is when you promote, you can make both. You can make that mix of awesome residual income and you can make the giant one-time commissions that we all love making. Now, real quick, before you scroll down below and grab your ClickBank affiliate link and start promoting the system, let me go ahead and tell you real quick, you're definitely going to want to put yourself on the JV notification list. You should see a little opt-in box down below. That way, I'll be able to communicate with you if we're doing any contests, if we're doing any giveaways. Sometimes we'll be giving away like free vacations and stuff. If you want to get notified of any of that stuff, make sure you put your name on the JV notification list below. Now, for those of you guys who don't know me and who are not familiar with 12-minute affiliate, allow me just to take a quick minute and tell you what the heck this system is and what it's about. The bottom line is that this is something that you are going to be proud to promote to your list because it's something that actually gives a crap ton of value to the people who buy it. What we've done is that we've made we've made affiliate marketing as easy as everyone else has always promised it would be. And so what the 12-minute affiliate system does is it allows anybody, regardless of how new they are, to copy my exact affiliate marketing strategy. So all the web pages are already done for them. All the follow-up messages are already done for them. The best products to promote, I've already included them in the system. And all somebody really has to do is log into the system, personalize the system with their affiliate details, right? So they can grow their email list and make the commissions. And then the system does the majority of the work. And in addition to that, we give them ongoing support and ongoing training as well. As a matter of fact, if you're on this page and you are a new to intermediate affiliate marketer, and you're not yet making $100,000 a year promoting affiliate products, you might want to actually check out the system for yourself. I promise you, it really is that good. But regardless of whether or not you check out the system for yourself, I know you're probably ready to start promoting and you're ready to start earning those residual commissions and you're ready to start earning those big dollar commissions. And so what I've done is all of your affiliate and JV materials are down below. We've got the banner ads for you. We've got the email swipes for you. We've got your ClickBank hot links for you. Everything you need is easy on this page. My suggestion, because this offer is so awesome, is that you just go crazy on it. You promote, you go, if you're promoting this to your list, just do a whole week-long promo. And again, your links are down below and see how many commissions you can earn. And also, just know that we're keeping an eye on you guys as affiliates. And so whenever we see an affiliate who's really stepping up, earning those big commissions, sending good traffic, rest assured, we're seeing that, and we definitely want to reward those of you guys who are doing awesome and sending a lot of business our way, right? Not just reward you in residual commissions and big ticket commissions, but also with some other stuff, because this is all about relationships. So that's pretty much it. Again, congratulations and thank you for making your way to this JV page for the 12-minute affiliate system. Number one, get yourself on the JV notification list. You'll see the opt-in box below. Number two, check out the system for yourself if you're a newer affiliate marketer. And number three, promote hard and make those commissions over and over and over again. All right? That's all I got. Again, my name is Devon Brown. Thanks so much for your time. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.